Hello guys, welcome back with another video. So guys, I'm at the train station and I'm in a hurry. Then I say let me stop and make this intro. I'm traveling to Nanjing right now, and after Nanjing I will go to another city. So I'm not telling you the name of the city, so you just have to stay tuned till the end of the video and see which city I'm going to after Nanjing. But right now I'm gonna go to Nanjing. And I will arrive in Nanjing at 11 something. Then I will explore Nanjing, see how it is. So yeah, just stay tuned. So right now I'm like late. Let me be fast so that I shouldn't miss my train. So let's go guys. So guys, it's been long since when I traveled in China, so that's why I'm so excited. Like when I'm leaving the city. There's a lot of video that is coming because in this holiday I really want to focus on this channel. I really want to focus on you guys. So if you are watching the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are here, I really appreciate you guys. Let's go. So this is the main entrance of this train station as you come in. Here as you come, they will just tell you you are welcome to come in. So this is the security checkup in every train station. You must see like security checkup place. So as you can see right there. I have to remove my bag. That's what I did like. See, let me be fast so that I will not miss my. This is how the train station look like, Huai'an railway station. So, guys, I already find my gates, and right now I'm going into the place that you'll go and wait for your train. So like the first thing that I used to do, like if I come to the train station, I just used to look for my gate, like where I'm boarding. Then I will wait there. If I'm making video, I will make it. If everything, like anything that I'm doing, I will do it there. Or if I want to buy something to eat, I will go and buy it and come back to the place and wait. Because there are so many times that I miss my train, like maybe twice or 3 times. It happens. So that's why I didn't used to play with that. I have to make sure I find my gate right here. So right now let's wait for the train to arrive and then go here. So guys, I have to find which car I'm entering. I don't know how it is, but I just used to wait and wait for the train to arrive, then look for my car. You're the question, you're the answer. No, that's how they used to say. In Chinese, they just used to say cha, and I will just look for my car. So I think that's what I will do. Just to wait. So let's wait for it. Our train has already arrived. Let's go, twin. Let's go and see how the inside part is, because it's been long since when I travel, and I forget how the train look like. So let's go in and see how it is. Let me go and find my car. I used to ask questions. They say I didn't understand which car I'm entering. Niao. 这个是Aisha. 谢谢啊。 So guys, let's be fast. The train already arrived. So guys, sometimes you have to ask questions so that you will not go and make mistakes. So that's why I quickly ask her. Guys, the weather is so hot. So as far as I step in, I just feel the weather change. You down, down, I'll get you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Just arrived right now. This is Nanjing railway station, and I'm looking for the exit. So as I see, look at almost everybody is it's following this road. So that's why me too. I'm with them. So right now I'm gonna go see my friend, then go out with him. That's what I'm doing. So guys, let's go. Let's see what Nanjing will offer. Let's see how it is. I have never been to Nanjing, enter inside the city. I just used to come to the train station and see how it is. So guys, let's go. I'm so excited, guys, because this is my first time, to explore Nanjing. Guys, I'm a foreigner, so I have to follow this side. Let me give them my passport. That guy too is a foreigner, so make sure I have to do that. Let me be safe myself. Yeah. Say it louder, say it louder. Shisha. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this. 你是哪里人？
我是北方人。
北方哪个城市？
辽宁。
哦，辽宁，我知道。
你是什么时候啥时候来中国
？2年，我在中国2年。
一直在南京？
不是，我在广安。
啊？
广安。你知道广安吗？
哪个省？
那是江苏省。是不远。
我不知道，我是
1个小时。对，我知道。你是北方，你不知道江苏？
对，我是刚来的。
对，你刚来。你是第一次来？
我第一次来江苏。
欢迎来到南京。
谢谢。好，拜拜。
拜。我想住北方。
北方。
对，北方很好。
挺好玩。谢谢。拜拜。
再见。So guys, I just come out from the train station. Right now I just check the place that I'm going. So that's what we come to do. I just come to explore. So right now we are going to the Nanjing. No, not Nanjing. We are going to the Nanjing City Wall. Yeah, Nanjing City Wall is one of the historical place in Nanjing. So we have to visit there. Then we will come back and go to the city center. So that's what we are going. We just have to explore it ASAP, because we don't have time. So right now let's go and use the time that we have. 你好。
哎，你好。
你好。
哎，你好。
你们好，阿姨。阿姨，你们好。大家好。So yeah, let's go and explore. Guys, let's go. I'm so excited. This is my first time in Nanjing. Imagine, we are close to Nanjing, but I have never been to Nanjing. So that's why I have to be excited, bro. So let's go. Ayi, 你好。地铁在。
地铁。
对，地铁。
下去，再下去。
这个地方可以去吗？
下去。
下。
再下去。
好的，谢谢啊。So guys, sometimes you have to ask questions so that you'll not go and get lost. And guys, and these people, as far as you're asking them questions, we have the hospitality of helping strangers. I should say foreigners. Hello. Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
China.
Huh?
China.
China? You're from China?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you don't look Chinese. 你会说英文吗？
比如说啥？
你真的是中国人？哪里人？新疆。
新疆。
哦，对。我知道中国人他们没有他们的鼻子不长，很高兴认识你们。So guys, I'm so surprised when I saw him. When I see him, then he's telling me he's from Xinjiang. So that's why I'm confused. Like he's telling me I'm from Xinjiang. So me too, I mistakenly go up instead of going down. The subway is down here. So good. Oh, okay.